This video will show you how to copy the data from a watch to another watch. First, you have to set one watch with the data inside. To pair the button to the watch, go to F1, enter. Let's say number 1. Now you press R one time. This button I pair as number 1. Success. And this button I pair as number 2. Success. Now I go back out. Button number 1 is 1. Button number 2 is already inside, is number 2. Now this watch has 2 signals inside. And now this is the new watch without any data inside. What you need to do is, first of all, you press L and R, go to restore, and change this to 00. To restore, to clean every data inside, make sure that there's no data inside. After that, go back to 9644. As the earlier video shows, 9644 is to allow multiple watches to use at the same time. Enter. And then after that, you press 9659 to brighten the watch to the maximum and enter. After that, what you do is you select the system time you want and also the alarm time, change it to 2. Enter. Now this watch is ready to copy the data from this one with data to this new watch without any data. So what you need to do is, the watch that has data, you go to F9, here you put as 9, 8, 2, 2. And don't press any other button, just put aside. And in the new watch, without any data that you want to receive the signal from the old watch with data, here you put as 9, 8, 1, 1. So this is a new watch, this one is a data watch. So now the new watch, you press R. You can see receiving and waiting. Now the one that need to send data is 9822, you press R. Now you can see the receiving has 2 received. Okay, now this is successfully copied. You press L, you can see success, and L one more time, second time to go back to the main menu, 1 time, 2 times to go back to the main menu. Now these 2 watches also has the data inside. You can see number 1 and number 2. Number 1, number 2. Both watches already have the data inside.